How to sign up on Zoom app. Hello friends, welcome to Android Tips YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up on Zoom app. So before I get started, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon for latest Android tip videos. So friends, let's get started. So first thing you have to download the Zoom app from Google Play Store. You have to download the Zoom app from Google Play Store. You can go here and you can simply search Zoom app. So I've already downloaded Zoom app, you can see. So let's begin. So you find you see this interface. So you simply need to tap sign up. So I have tapped you also. You have to enter your date of birth for verification. So I will enter my date of birth. So firstly, you should have your own Google account. You have to create your Google account. You have to create your Google account and you should have your Google account. So you have to fill up your email your email here your email here and then first name, last name. So I will fill up. So friends, I'm done. So you simply tap on sign up. So you will receive one email in your Google account. So you have to go to Gmail. You have to go to Gmail. You will receive one email. So you can see I've received one email from Zoom app, Zoom account sign up assistant. So you can see, hello Kevin, you recently visited our sign up page using an email. We already been registered and activated. So it's done. So I have to tap sign up and then it will open up your browser, your mobile browser. So you have to re-enter your Google account and then you can enter your password. You have to enter your password. You can give, it's up to you, whatever you give. You have to give your password. So friends, you have to give your password and then tap sign in. And then you have to do these things. You can just simply select all squares with traffic lights. So you can see this verify. You have to verify this. So it's done. So you can see it's done. So just exit from browser and then again go to Zoom app and then tap on sign in. So you give your Google account, email and then password which you have entered recently. So friends, it's done. So lastly, sign up. So friends, done. I created my Zoom app account. So I hope you understand the video. It's very easy and simple. You have to watch the video until the end so that you will find easily to sign up with your Zoom app. So that's it. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching the video.